Once there was a little boy named Henry who loved eating snacks, especially cookies. One day, Henry's mom packed a fresh batch of cookies for him, and Henry was so excited that he started eating them one after the other. However, Henry's mom noticed that he had taken more cookies than he could eat. So she gently reminded him, Henry's, it's important not to waste food. Take only what you can finish. Henry's felt a little guilty and realized his mistake. From that day on, Henry's made sure to take only a few cookies at a time. He learned that wasting food was not only disrespectful but also meant that someone else could have enjoyed those cookies. The moral of the story is that we should always be mindful of how much food we take and make sure to finish what we have. By doing so, we can avoid wasting food and appreciate the value of what we have. Thanks for watching.